Aloha everyone, how's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to install a shift lever for a Ninja 500, and I'm also going to explain how to adjust it if you need to. Alright guys, let's go. Okay everyone, so tools that you'll need is a 6mm hex socket or Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench. So first you want to loosen the lock nuts on the adjusting bar. Okay, with that, now we loosen this 6mm hex. All right, now that that's off, all you have to do is twist this off. All right, now we take the new one and just thread it back on to the adjusting bar. Oh wait, first, since it didn't come with it, I'm gonna take the cover off of the stock one to put it on the pivot. All right, so it was kind of rough going in, so I had to take my wrench and spin the bolt inside of the lever. All right, so now that I got that done, just put it back, put the bolt back into the bite. And my bike is up on the stand, but you don't have to have it on the stand. All right. Just gonna tighten the lock nuts. Okay, so this is your adjustment bar as well, and if you wanted to adjust your lever either down or up, depending how you like to ride. If you want it down, you make these as tight or as close as possible, and if you want it raised up a little, you want them to be towards the outside. All right guys, hope this helps. Take care. Aloha. Shoots.